How do you ensure your network installation meets all technical standards? Discover the structured approach of using eAuditor for network installation inspections. This video outlines the process from setup to continuous improvement. A network installation inspection is a systematic audit. It verifies cabling, hardware, connectivity, and configuration against design specifications. eAuditor offers structured inspections with real-time documentation. It helps confirm compliance, identify defects, and document findings. This supports operational readiness and continuous quality enhancement. Setting up the inspection template in eAuditor is crucial. Record project name, location, and inspection details for accountability. Include the area inspected, date, time, and inspector's name. Specify the type of inspection, whether initial, commissioning, or follow-up. This ensures a clear audit trail. Inspecting physical infrastructure involves checking cabling and pathways. Ensure cables are installed per design specifications like Cat5e or fiber. Terminations and connectors should be neat and correctly labeled. Check for any physical damage or exposed wires. This step is vital for network reliability. Hardware and power safety are critical in network installations. Devices like switches and routers must be securely installed. Ensure power connections are safe with grounding and surge protection. Check server accessibility and environmental conditions. Electrical safety must never be compromised. Connectivity and configuration checks are essential. Test LAN and WAN connections for stability, verify IP addressing, firewall, and routing configurations. Environmental checks ensure proper temperature and ventilation. Accurate labeling and updated documentation are crucial for maintenance. Staff compliance with SOPs and safety protocols is vital. Document inspection records in eAuditor with photos and notes. Log defects and assign corrective actions for resolution. Supervisors must approve installations and verify corrective measures. This ensures a safe and compliant network setup. eAuditor streamlines the network inspection process, ensuring compliance and quality. From setup to reporting, it enhances installation reliability and security. Use these insights for continuous improvement in network infrastructure.